Turn any photo into a talking human.
Make static photos come alive with AI-powered lip sync, natural movements, and fluid expressions. Perfect for training videos, marketing, and interactive content.
Create animated cartoon avatars.
Transform any cartoon character into a fully expressive talking avatar. Great for kids' content, storytelling, and social media videos.
Animals speak with AI magic.
Turn pets and wild animals into talking characters with realistic lip sync and expressions. Ideal for pet brands, fun social media content, and storytelling.
Bring fantasy characters to life.
From mythical creatures to futuristic beings, bring any fantasy character to life with animated speech, emotions, and dynamic movements.
AI-powered image, editing and enhancement. AI background removal. Remove and replace image backgrounds with one click. AI relighting. Instantly enhance lighting, shadows, and depth for ultra-realistic visuals. No expensive photo shoots needed. Just upload your design and AI generates stunning product visuals instantly. AI text-to-image generator. Turn simple words into breathtaking, high-quality visuals. No design skills required. AI generates logos, ads, graphics, and artwork automatically.